Christians would say you worship Jesus, but you don't believe that. You believe you should worship the God that Jesus worshiped, right?
I do believe in worshiping Jesus.
Well, you said only one God should be worshipped. What about Jesus?
Human form God.
But if Jesus is a form of God, then who did he worship?
God is God.
No. Who did Jesus worship?
His Father, he is God.
So did Jesus worship himself?
No.
So who did he worship? God. Right? So instead of worshiping Jesus, why not worship the God Jesus worshipped? That make more sense to you?
A little bit.
It does, right? It does. Think about it. Does God know everything? Did Jesus know everything? All right, check it out. This is the Bible, right? Not a Muslim book. But of that day and the hour, no one knows, not even the angels in heaven, nor the Son, but only the Father.
Got you.
So according to the Bible, Jesus didn't know when the hour is. But you said God knows everything. And if Jesus didn't know the hour, how could he be God?